Hey everybody, it's Des. How's it going? Des is here. I'm actually working on creating some content, but I think it's also good that I have a conversation with you guys as well. And I'm talking to you guys in regards to taxes, right? Because if you want to start a business, having taxes, like when you have like an LLC or an S corp or whatever, like you're gonna have to understand how taxes work, okay? So right now, I actually just got off the phone with my tax person for my business, Promo Jones, and right now it's an LLC. So that's an LLC is a limited liability company. So essentially, it's kind of like a way for you to be. It is a way for you to be self-employed, but when it comes to taxes, you're actually like your LLC is connected with your personal taxes, right? So I actually made like a little like minute mistake because this is really my first year. So again, I'm talking to y'all as if like not as if, but like I'm fresh in the business world. So I feel like it's important for me to kind of document the things that I'm going through so that whoever is deciding to start their business, especially as a creative, you're able to understand how all this stuff works. Because it's one thing to be a creative and create your art and promote your art and stuff, but it's another thing to actually put it into something like business, like put it into an actual business. Like it's not just about the art. And I believe that as creatives, like we need to be more professional and like see our work as a business and not necessarily just art, because there's a lot of businesses that are thriving, and there's a lot of creatives that aren't really sure about how business work, and they get taken advantage of, and they're not like just being taken seriously. So understanding how taxes work is an important factor when it comes to being a creative and having a business. So having a creative business is still a business, and it's not just about the creative work you have, it's also about the professional business side, which of course includes taxes. So what I learned today is when you have an LLC and you have your personal taxes, it's actually best to do your business taxes first. So that way, once you do your business taxes, they'll be able to roll on to your personal taxes. So with that, I actually had to get my taxes amended. So there's actually a form I'm gonna let y'all know. So let's say you already did your personal taxes and you need to do your business taxes and you have an LLC. So what you would have to do is you would need a 1040X, like a 1040 amended return. So a 1040 amended return essentially is the 1040 like that you already filled out your personal taxes. The 1040 return amended means that you're going back and you're amending some of the tax, like you're adding more stuff or fixing the 1040. So the Schedule C, which essentially is geared toward the business, that is also in the 1040 form. So the Schedule C is what you use to document your work as an LLC. So all your expenses, the revenue you've gained, like your Schedule C is what you put, or like what's in your 1040. So Schedule C is geared more toward your LLC, if that makes sense. So that's really important. So for me, it's important. Like I'm trying to get an S corp. So what's happening right now, because we're in a pandemic right now, it's 2021, and at this point, like the IRS was shut down for almost like 3 months. So it's gonna take a minute for the filings, of course. So there's like my tax person said it's from like 6 months to 18 months. So I actually filed for my S corp back in February. So it's currently April, and of course, like they were saying, my tax person, they were saying like you might get it around November. So at this point, I have to make sure that I still have all my, records for 2021 and stuff. And of course, with an S Corp, you're able to give yourself salary. That's not something you can really do with an LLC, but for an S Corp, you can start giving yourself salary. So for me, my goal this year is to have enough so that way I can give myself a salary. Right now, I don't think I have enough to give myself a salary because I'm still like starting. But at the end of the day, I'm currently working on a couple projects to kind of boost my income for my business. And that's another topic, because a lot of times when you just are creating work, it can be draining and all that stuff. But when you have a business, like, you have to think of other ways to make money while you're sleeping, essentially. So everyone's like, yeah, I make money while I sleep. Like, that should be a goal when you have your business, so that way you can continue to sell stuff. So I have a couple products I'll be selling, like digital products, to kind of help with my clients. Because again, my company, I don't know if I told you this, my company is Promo Jones. Promo Jones is a video content bureau specializing in promoting the vision of visionaries. So what I do is I help a lot of my clients with their video editing for YouTube, their videos for IG Reels, TikToks. I teach them how to use TikTok. I teach them how to use IG Reels. Like, I teach them about videos and all that stuff. So when it comes to videos, like, video is everywhere. So Promo Jones is essentially helping small businesses with their videos. And if you're interested or you want to know more about Promo Jones, you go to promojones.com or email me at promojones313@gmail.com. So promojones313@gmail.com. That's more about Promo Jones and what I do. So again, because it's just me right now, like, having a business. And I'm also, again, I'm a recent grad, so I'm still working to support myself part-time. Like, I have a part-time job. I have my business, which is part-time. I do have a couple clients as well. So just learning how to juggle that. And then, like, I'm trying to be a model too. Like, I'm just gonna put that out there. Like, I really am interested in being a model. So, like, I do a lot of things. And I've learned to just manage my time, because when you have passions and dreams, I think it's important to just kind of go for it and see what happens. So I'm just going for it and seeing what happens. But I know my true purpose is Promo Jones. So regarding, like, that's like more of what I do. But again, I'm here to just talk to y'all about, like, the importance of not just being a creative, but like having a creative business and learning how to sustain yourself while having a business. And I truly, truly believe if you're able to take your creative art and monetize off of it and create like an actual business out of it, it can help sustain you. It can help you with your business. It can help you with your family. Like, it can help. Like, it's definitely helped me. So my goal right now is to not just talk to y'all about taxes, but to really take myself, my business seriously and prepare for the future, because I do see Promo Jones going like far, and I just want to make sure that I'm prepared for that time, and I feel like if you have a creative business or a business in general, preparation is key. And if you really, really want to take your business seriously, you also have to take yourself seriously and understand that it's not just about Instagram. It's not just about looking cute. It's about the paperwork. It's about the taxes. Like, it's about the professionalism, like how you want your business to turn out. It comes down to the numbers and the books. So you have to really, really take that seriously and make sure that you find people that can show you or teach you how to make sure to get your business off the ground. Because if you spend so much time doing, things that won't help you make money, then you're going to be wasting your time. And as a business, you can't afford to lose money anymore, especially now. So you just have to be more creative, get down to your books, get organized, and focus on being better. So that's all I have to say about that. My name's Des. Follow me, subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about business, if you want to know more. Actually, there's a video of me going to the Bahamas. You can check it out. It's Business in the Bahamas on my YouTube channel. So subscribe now. Have a great day.